What's going on, good people? I'm one tired rascal, I ain't gonna lie to you. As you can see, getting ready to put new front tires on this 4955. Taking them off as we see right here. And that one is pretty decent, but this one here is slick as owl shit. So I'm getting ready to replace these tires and take them off. The old D-Walk. I got it cleaned up pretty nice, as y'all can see somewhat. Got to get these holes filled in out here. Finna get ready to paint it, so y'all guys are gonna stay tuned. Finna get painted all the way over, rims and all. So y'all stay tuned for what's going on and trying to get some work done today. So you guys know, maintenance before I started playing, it's still a little too wet on my end. So there's always something to do on the farm. So this is what I'm about to do, take these two front tires off, and we're gonna get to it. Best in one of these air jacks. I love it. Well, working money, well and die. So, getting to it, I'm gonna wedge something on the other side, keep it from swiveling, and that's where I have it. So, you guys stay tuned. Don't move it. Let's go around. That old D-Walt ain't boy hard to beat that old D-Walt. Trying to tell you guys. You know what I thought about? Might need to put some of that wedge in this rascal too. So on that. No, that's how you have to move. You put something in between there too.
You don't have to bounce no matter how you got it.
Yeah, but to the towel.
I know what I'm saying, yeah.
You go ahead and put something in between it.
I'm saying the chunk ain't gonna never be even balanced. So yeah. Put that on. Everybody wait.
Hard to keep it old wagon forever, gas. Old gas power. Move your lugs on top of that thing. Alright guys, we got it removed. Got both tires removed. Everything looks good. As far as seal wise on both sides and everything. So basically. So we're gonna space these tires out. Go put these new ones on. As you can see the tires back there. Those are the two new tires that's going on this tractor right here. So, get into it, guys. While we got some downtime before we really get full force. This tractor's been well kept, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, definitely excited. Go ahead and get everything going. And we're gonna keep it rolling. But as you see, we're gonna get these wheels spaced out. Where that gun go? See guys, I done broke a sweat. It's already 85, 90 degree weather. And we ain't got started playing good yet. So, this is what we got going on here. Oh yeah. The completion is done. Got two new front tires. Finished pressure washing this grass up just a little bit more. We're gonna get this paint job done. Time tomorrow. 2 new front bikes. And we spaced the tires out a whole lot more. So it won't hit. They were actually too close between here. So getting this done. 2 new front tires. 14 930s. I don't sweat like bullets. I haven't sweated hard in a long time. So, got it done, guys. I am tired. If you looking to get one of those good air jacks right there, they good air. That is a 20-ton air jack. Well worth the money. And these tires are pitless. 14 930 and 8 ply. So we got the tires a whole lot more spaced out than what they were. Glad of that. I got tired of that. So getting ready to paint tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. Ooh, man, I'm tired. Took them on to a tire center place in Nettleton, Mississippi. They did lead work to put the tires on, which wasn't bad. $60 a tire to put the new tube and the new tire on, so you can't beat that price. So this is what you got. Most definitely. Front bikes. Got more wheel spacing now, so now we're cooking with grease. And as you can see, I do have new LEDs that's coming in tomorrow for these, and also front fender, all that gonna get replaced too on the front fender lights, all LEDs. So you guys stay tuned tomorrow for the paint job. We'll be going live, so I'll let you guys be tuned in on that. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day.